Okay guys, good morning. Sorry I look a mess. Got these in for a hairstyle I'm trying to do. Hopefully it turns out and you'll see it in one of my videos. But I have my Snuggie on because it's kind of chilly in the house. Just wanted to say that today is my son's birthday. And of course he's at school today, and then he has basketball practice after, so we can't really do any celebrating for him today in the traditional sense. So we're going to try to do a Zoom call later this evening when he gets home with all my family, so that should be nice. I'm also going to try to cook him his favorite dinner as well as make him a cake, and I'm whispering because I don't want him to hear me. So I just had groceries delivered so I can make sure that I have everything I need for that. So I'm going to get those now off the porch. Big case of water he needs to take to basketball practice this evening, so I'll have my husband get that. I just dropped a bag. Thank goodness it wasn't anything fragile. So I'll do a quick haul with you guys. I didn't get much, like I said, just a few little items that we needed. And yeah, so I'll do a quick grocery haul, and then I'm going to go ahead and get myself together and get cleaned up, get the video done, and then I'll try to come back and show you guys the whole day. I'll try to remember to vlog today and get what I can, and definitely try to vlog this evening for his birthday. So yeah, that's what's going on with me. So let's go ahead and do this quick haul. Okay, so the first thing I got was 2 bags of snow crab legs. He loves seafood, so we're gonna do a seafood boil tonight. So I got 2 bags of those. Got a bag of shrimp. And I also have crab legs in my freezer already, so I wanted to make sure I had enough. Sorry. Got some milk. Got some of these Stouffer's Salisbury steak and macaroni meals, just for a quick, something quick to have in the freezer for lunches, since there's virtual going on and stuff like that. So something in case he wants something hot. In this bag we got the icing. Got a bag of red potatoes to go in the seafood boil. Got a loaf of bread just because I needed a loaf. Some granola bars for my son, he likes those. Got the cake. I don't do homemade. Again, picked up some quick food, so I got a Caesar salad. Got a Cobb salad, F salad. So those are easy things that he can just grab for a quick lunch. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But this is mainly what I wanted to get for his birthday and his seafood boil. I already have corn on the cob here, and like I said, I have more shrimp and I have more crab legs. I just wanted to make sure that I had enough. So let me go ahead and put this stuff away, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Okay guys, I am now dressed, getting ready to go to my filming room, if I can carry all of this stuff. Got more stuff in that I need to unbox, but I'm gonna go to my filming room, see what I can do with this head. just hope it turns out okay. Ooh, trying to go up the steps without dropping everything. This stuff is stuff that I told you about in my last haul that I said hadn't come in yet. I was still waiting on. It has since come in. So I may end up doing a haul on it. I may not, I'm not sure. I'll have to wait and see. But yeah, we'll have to see. So let me get this cleaned off so I can work. Okay, before I get started, I am going to change my battery because it is running low. So let me change that and then I'll start getting myself together. Okay guys, sorry this vlog is all over the place, but I have finished filming the video. As you can see, those curlers are out of my hair. Then I just pinned it up. Otherwise it was just big, just looked like an old woman. I don't know what to do with this stuff. I may pin it up on this side too. Anyway, I just got to get used to my hair being straight and curly. Straight with curls, you know what I'm saying. So I'm done with that. What I want to do now, my battery's great right now, so let me just change my battery real quick. Okay, so my battery, am I focused? Okay, so I changed my battery. So my sister called. Today is my son's birthday. Told you that. So she called. She wants to make him a cake. I was gonna make him one, but she wants to make it, and I'm like, okay, great, because he loves her cake. She makes hers homemade. I make mine from a box. So she's the baker in the family, and it's delicious. So she's gonna make him a cake, and they're gonna bring it over here with the gift. before he gets back from basketball practice. So he just left for basketball practice. And remember I said that I was going to wrap her gift because her birthday is in 2 days and give it to them when they come to drop off his gift. So I went to my birthday bag stash and the bag that I had ended up being torn. So I need to go out and get her a bag, and I need to get her a card to put with the gifts that I got her. So I need to take care of that. So I think I'm getting ready to run out and do that real quick, and then when I get back I am going to start on the dinner. I'm gonna start cleaning. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and get the crab legs out, and I'm gonna start, because you know I want to clean those off and get the sorry guys, get the shrimp. Let me get it out of my freezer. Get the shrimp thawed out so to be ready. Sorry, my garage. So to be ready when he, can you see me? Let me do this. So to be ready when he gets home. Okay, so get this stuff thawing. The crab legs. We're gonna do 1 thing of shrimp. I meant to pick up scallops because he loves scallops. Meant to get scallops because he loves scallops, but I forgot them. So, let's see if I can carry all this stuff in the house without dropping it. Cotton, get in here. This dog has to follow me everywhere. Come on, Poo-Poo. He wants to be on camera, I guess. So, sorry guys. Okay. Set that stuff there real quick. I'm gonna get myself together and I'm gonna run out real quick, get her card so it'll be ready when she gets here, and get him a birthday card because I haven't gotten that yet either. I know, last minute. But with this corona, you don't get out of the house and you don't go a lot of places. It kind of throws your schedule off. It even snuck up on him. He was like, I didn't even realize my birthday was in 2 days. I was like, okay. Anyway, so I'm gonna get a card for her, a card for him, and a bag for her, and then I'm gonna get back and get started on that stuff. But it's just nice that she I'm sorry, I keep looking at my hair. I'm sorry guys, I can't get over this head. But it's nice that she wants to do that for him, so I'm excited about that. Then we're gonna do a Zoom call with the whole family and for his birthday, so he doesn't know anything about that, so that will be exciting. And yeah, we'll sing happy birthday to him and everything. So I'll try to catch as much as I can on film. But y'all know how I am about this vlogging. I forget to pull the camera out, or I get bits and pieces and it doesn't mesh well together. So we'll just see. But anyway, let me get myself together, get out of here and get back so I don't run out of time. See you in a bit. Okay guys, whew. I took my hair down from being up on the side. I don't know how well y'all can see or not, but I'm gonna sit you right here real quick so I can show you my outfit of the day. Nothing spectacular, but just in case you're interested. So I just have on this sweater that I got from New York & Company. Then got on some jeans. Let me lower it, maybe that's better. And then just some booties. Nothing too fantastic. Don't worry about them boxes. I'm getting ready to put up my fall stuff and start bringing out my Christmas stuff. So that's what those boxes are. I never did show you guys my fall decor, I don't think. Real simple. Just had some pillows that said be grateful, just like a little pumpkin on them. Nothing out of the ordinary. And then I just had, excuse my coffee cup, then I just had that on the table. My pillows, my computer, and that pillow that says autumn. So real simple. Yeah, but that's it. So come on, let's go ahead and get ready to go out and get this stuff so I can get back. So I'm ready to go up the street and get a birthday card and bag for Robin for her gifts.
This man is my prisoner. The other man he saw is dead.
You don't have a bag?
If you try to take this man
okay.
from me, there'll be more bloodshed.
Out here.
Then your father, I think, Sue had more honor.
Yeah, I'll be back. I'm just going up to CVS. I'll probably be back before you even leave. He ain't going nowhere. Talking about he gonna do that while I'm gone. He ain't doing nothing. He watching TV and taking a nap. That's funny. Okay, so grab my purse. How cold is it outside? Let me grab this big purse real quick. I don't feel like changing purses. Get my phone. And grab this coat, I guess. Grab this coat. Guys, I cannot with this hair. Okay, I'll be glad when I wash this. So here we go. I will pick up with you guys once I get to CVS. So stay tuned. Okay, I am at CVS, so I'm getting ready to go in here. We're gonna try to find a good card. Let's hope I can find one. Oh shoot, I forgot to leave my glasses in the car, but we are back home. Uh-oh, still dropping stuff. We're back home. I got what I needed and I hope it works. So I am getting ready to get started on the dinner. So I'm gonna go ahead and preheat the oven. And then I need to do some cleaning. So let me get to working on that, and I will get you guys when it's time to start cooking. About 2 pans just because I wasn't sure how big they were, and I might use both of them. I'm probably going to use both of them, maybe, I don't know, we'll see. But for now, I'm just going to wash this one, and then I'm going to clean my crab legs and stick them in here and let them continue to thaw in here. I'm supposed to tie this hair up, but I forgot to. That's fine because I'm going to rinse everything again before I start actually putting it together in the boil. So once everything is thawed and I start to put it in the pan, I'm going to wash that pan, put it in the pan, layer everything, the corn, the potatoes, and things like that. I will re-rinse this stuff, so if my hair didn't get anywhere, but if it did, it'll get cleaned off. So as a matter of fact, while I'm thinking about it now, let me go ahead and tie it up. I'll be back. Okay, so I got the hair up out of my face. I don't have to keep touching it, trying to fling it back. I'm going to get the potatoes on. I'm going to pre-boil those. The meat is going to be thawed out, so they're not. It's just going to warm up. So I'm just going to pre-boil my potatoes to get them soft and put them in the oven when I put this stuff in. So I'm going to go ahead and get those. So I got red potatoes. They're little. I'm not going to boil them until they're mushy and falling apart. I don't want them to fall apart. I want them to stay whole. But I want to boil them enough so as long as this cooks, by the time everything's done, the potatoes will be nice and soft and have some flavor of the seasonings and everything in it. So I'm going to pierce them before I put them into the pan. And this should be big enough. I'm not going to do a whole lot because my husband's not going to eat that many of them. My son loves them, so I'll put enough in here for him, and I might eat one. So this pan should be plenty big. Set that over there. Let me get a few of these out, and I'm gonna wash them. Always wash your veggies and your meat, guys. Always wash your fruit, vegetables, and meat. I think that's plenty. That is plenty. So let me get it started. Okay, we're gonna get that boiling. I got my shrimp thawing, I got my crab legs thawing, and yeah, we'll be ready in no time. Is it going on 5? I'm losing track of time. I hope we get this done. I think my son may get out of, kind of crooked. I think my son may get out of practice a little bit early tonight, and that's kind of a good thing, but it's kind of not a good thing. So I'm just gonna play it by ear. So that is it. I am going to go ahead and get my sister's gift wrapped up, and while this stuff thaws, and then when I get ready to put it all together before I put it in the oven, I'll come back and let you see what it looks like. So stay tuned. Guys, y'all know what I did, right? I went on and prepped the in my pantry. I need to redo this pantry, just so you guys know. It's more stocked than normal because my husband and son is home now, so they eat 24/7. But I do have canisters back there that are actually labeled. You just can't see them, but I definitely need these granola bars go in my son's thing right there, so I got those there so he can put them in there. But I definitely need to reorganize. It's not that bad, but it's gotten kind of disheveled with them being home. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Guys, I forgot to show you me prepping the seafood boil because I got into the, I got all my seasonings out and got ready to do it, and then my cousin called, and if you guys don't know, the homemade chocolate cake from my sister. She would have put his name on it, but she didn't have any icing, so I'm going to put candles in it that he can blow out later after we eat. So waiting for him to get home from basketball practice, so he's gonna put us behind schedule. The Zoom call is supposed to be at 7:30. We're not even gonna have time to eat dinner before we do the Zoom call, so we'll see. Think about dinner.
Come on, wash your hands.
Happy
Get that coat off.
birthday.
Let's go. Happy birthday.
Look.
Take that mask off. Let's go. That's a whole new cake. Come on. Ooh. Y'all ready to pray?
There's a whole nother one in the oven.
Go, hold on. Everybody grab a hand. Grab a hand. I think it was the day. Thank you for AJ. Thank you for 17 years. And, just let him continue to use all the talent that you've given him. Just continue to bless him and bless our family. I just ask you to bless his food. Use the nourishment of our body. That's all I use in his name. Amen.
Yeah, I don't know about this. This is a different recipe. I hope you like it. Yeah, looks can be deceiving.
That kiwi's all right. Woo! Did you expect this when you got them?
No, I thought I was gonna have something else.
Like
What?
hamburger?
Steak. Huh?
Corn. And then dry away.
Boy, we done told you.
Oh my goodness.
Your
You
car
got
is
your
in the
license.
garage.
You got a car in the garage.
Betsy's waiting on us.
You named him Bob, you know, too, or Bubba. Bubba's in the garage waiting.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not going away and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. Let's show. Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only wish. And as we decorate the tree, only you and me, I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not going away and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. I've been waiting for so long for you, but now I got it planned. I know just what to do. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna.
Okay, guys. Forgot to turn on the camera for the Zoom call, but just know that it went well. We had a good time on that. He opened his gifts. He liked his gifts. My battery is getting ready to run out. And I forgot to show you the food. No, I think I did get some footage of the food. But anyway, I want to go ahead and cut it. Close out the video now. I am tired. Forgive my hair, it's sweating back. So yeah, I'm getting ready to go and do something to this stuff, and then I'm probably gonna wash it tomorrow. So yeah, thanks for joining us for this vlog. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.